flamethrower. A terrifying weapon capable of fiery devastation, and one so excessive it barely seems real. Why is such a fearsome weapon so fascinating? And what sort of maniac would wield one?
Stario 10?
You are the kingdom, and liberty is the match!
Oh god. Yeah, that's hard.
Up top, looks at the clock, turns the corner for the win!
What happened to your tank, guys?
Oh god. Behind us, on top of us.
Back it
Oh, they
up.
dropped a box machine on you guys.
Yep, I know, I know.
Get out of there, get out of there, get out of there, get out of there.
Put the fucking 500 on us! Oh my god.
Okay, well.
Alright.
Listen, just because you're shell-shocked from all the times I've backstabbed you, doesn't give you an excuse. Wow.
What? What?
He's like, what
Huh?
happened?
You wanted to role play as a victim in World War II? Say less. Portable hell bomb down there.
We're
gonna go out. We're gonna go out with style. Oh, jeez!
Oh, he went out with style, I guess.
Oh, did y'all know when there's an acid storm in progress, it lowers the enemy's armor value by 1? I did not know that.
Yeah, lowers yours too.
Oh, look, that's hella cool. Wait, it lowers ours also?
Yeah.
Man, fuck this planet.
You were not supposed to survive.
The flamethrower. Incendiary. Intimidating. Infernal.